Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you two different tips and tips actually that you can make money online and to fail out actually and for absolutely free. So I'm going to share with you two different ways. With the first one will be the paid method and the second one will be the free method. So it depends on you which method you are preparing and you are using. So you can simply select the method and start making money on a two-pellet system actually with this method right over here. So I just want you to just take your 8 minutes or 9 minutes of your time actually, and you can learn, and at the end of this video you can implement the strategy and then you can make a huge amount of money from that. So I will share you step by step. So let's not further waste the time that how exactly we are going to use this method in this strategy, and you will definitely like that and you will be interested with that and you will use. So, and one thing remember that if you are implementing the strategy, you are making the money. If you are not implementing, you are not taking action, so you will not make money from that right away here. So many people request me to have a real and a legitimate method that we can make money. So every method is legitimate and every method is working. In case you just work on that and you just implement the strategy, what I'm sharing you in these videos right here. So the only hack and trick is to take action on the method. At the backside, you can see the result from that right here. So let's begin the strategy that how exactly we can make money with this step-by-step tutorial right here. So the first step is that you need to sign up with cpagrip.com, or if you are using the CPA lead, then you need to sign up for CPA lead. So both websites are wonderful and excellent. You can simply choose anyone you are interested with that. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account right here, and then you can simply choose the country by all countries, or if you are promoting a specific country product or offer, then you need to choose that country right away here. So here you can simply see here that there are many offers right here from different countries that you can simply select and start promoting right here. And there are here also some offers that they are paying really great amount of money from that. For example, this is for Luxembourg and they are just paying $17.11 per conversion, which is a great amount of money right here. And this offer is only paying $2. This is $1.45 right here. This is $3.08. So it depends on the offer, which offer you are promoting. So you can simply promote, and the way or the method that I'm going to share with you, you can easily target the country that you are having the offer for that right over here. For example, if we are just promoting the offers right here for this country right here, Estonia, okay, so we can promote, but this is for Luxembourg and this is for Norway actually that we can simply promote right here, and this is for Czech Republic actually, and this is for actually Switzerland. So these are the different countries. The main thing and the main strategy is that you need to choose the offer right here. With the Fate method, you can easily target the country or the location right away here. For example, we are just using this offer right here, which is paying $17, which is a lot of money. So you can simply select. Once you select, then you can grab your link and then you can pass it from the link tree. So that is the main strategy, that you can have a free link tree landing page and you can add it into that. So once you add in that, then you can simply grab that link right away here and then you can start promoting. But if you're using the CPA lead, you can also choose different offers right here and the CPA lead, as you can simply see here, and these are also great. And here and the CPA lead, they simply show you the cap. So whenever the cap you see here, so it means that that is kind of working and many people are making money from that right away here. So that's why you can also promote these offers right here, that they have more cap or something like that. So because many people are using, and you can use the same thing in the same strategy. And here in the CPA lead, we have a lot of offers. You can simply go to by pages, by the next page and third page and fourth page actually, and you can find out the best and convertible offers right here. So once you copy that link from there, then you can just go to another traffic sources right here. So I will share you the first traffic source, which will be the paid traffic, and you can definitely make money from that right away here. But that will be the most cheapest traffic right here ever. So what you need to do, you can simply just go to Google and just tap ppcmat. Once you just tap ppcmat.com, then that page will be available right here, ppcmat.com. Okay, so this is the main website right here that you can simply see here. Here you can simply buy website traffic or affiliate link traffic or CPA link traffic right here away here really easily. Okay, so the coolest part is right here that it is simply starting, okay, with 0.001 cent actually, and the CPM is 0.10 cents and CPC is 0.003, which is the cheapest one that we have it right here, and that is definitely working. So most of the people from all over the country, they are using this push notification option right here, which is really convertible in Google Chrome and also in, for example, and smartphones right over here. So here is the traffic like here that they have this website PPCmat is having, for example, 1 billion plus unique visitor, 100 plus ad visibility they have, and 98% global coverage, which is really awesome right here that you can simply see here, and 75% device coverage, for example, they have, and 21% overall average CTR they have, which is really great for promoting these types of offers like affiliate products offers and CPA offers right here with these. And the most and the greatest companies are also affiliates with them right here that you can simply see here. One of the coolest parts here in this website is the traffic quality is verified by at score. Okay, so it is really great that the traffic is real traffic. It's not a bot traffic, or it's not, for example, something uh, uh, irregular, for example, or illegal right here. So that is a unique traffic and real traffic that you can simply get it from this website right here. So the only thing is that you need to sign up with the website, and you can just add two, three, up to $5 into your wallet, and then you can start promoting. So if you really want to make money online, then you just need to check out this website for promoting your offers, because that is also the cheapest website that we will have it. So I'm not going to just talk about more right here. You can simply see here the ads options right here. For example, that they have push notification ads, which is CPC, display ads, and other things right here, video ads. But you can simply use you can simply go to the website and you can simply check out right here. And I will also show you the free method. You can simply just go to the freeadstime.org. This is the main website. You just need to visit to this website, and it's absolutely free, and they have different categories. You can simply choose anyone you are interested with that right here. So the first tip would be that you simply just click on the post and ad button right here. You would be visited to this page right here that you can simply see here, and here you can simply add the title and the description, means the text including your link. You can also use your affiliate or CPA link right here directly, and then you can simply click on the continue button, and your ads will be live on this website for absolutely free. So this is also a free method that you can simply use. So the more posts you have created on this website, the more money you will have, the more conversion you will have, and the more CPA offers you will be promoting right here on this website. So it is really a unique website right here, and most of the people don't know actually that this website exists right here, and they have the different location that you can simply see, and different categories right here you can simply see here, and you can start promoting your offers right away here for absolutely free. But if you use the paid method, you just need to use this method. So if you want to have my comprehensive training from A to Z that how exactly you can make money online, you can check out the first link in the description of this video. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.